Meaning of full-sized.
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 Full-sized. The term full-sized is typically used to describe a product or object that is the standard size or larger than average. For example, a full-sized mattress would be the standard size of a mattress meant for an adult, and not a twin or a queen meant for children or couples, respectively. Similarly, a full-sized car would be the standard size of a car meant for families or individual use, and not a compact or subcompact meant for commuting in cities. In short, full-size denotes something that is not small or oversized, but rather, just right.